Have you recently had hip replacement surgery and wonder if you will ever move normally again without fear or stiffness? You are definitely not alone. Recovering from a hip replacement can feel slow, and it is normal to be afraid of moving the wrong way. But the good news is that returning to a normal, active life does not require heavy weights or scary gym machines. The secret to a safe and fast recovery is just a few simple, gentle movements that you can do right at home. These exercises are easy, perfectly safe for your new hip, and they actually feel really good to do. After surgery, your hip naturally feels tight and your leg can feel very heavy. Everyday tasks like getting out of bed, walking to the kitchen, or tying your shoes might feel like a huge challenge. Many people become afraid to move, worrying they might damage their new hip. But if you do not move safely, that stiffness and weakness can stay with you, making you walk with a limp and lose your independence. What if you could speed up your healing and bring joy back to your movement with just a few minutes of safe exercises every day? Hey, my name is Jan Sosnowski. I'm a physiotherapist working in Dubai, and I help people get their strength and lives back after hip replacement surgery. Every day, I see my patients' fear turn into a big smile when they realize they can move again without pain. The 5 exercises I'm about to show you are absolutely my favorites. I give them to my patients because they are safe, effective, and bring a lot of joy to the recovery process. Imagine if you could. Walk smoothly and comfortably without a limp. Get out of bed easily every single morning. Feel strong, safe, and stable on your feet. Return to your favorite daily activities with a smile. Let's begin with these 5 simple exercises to help you get there. Exercise 1. Hip Flexion Side-Lying. This first movement is wonderful for gently waking up your hip joint. It helps bring back the flexibility you need to do things like put on your socks and shoes. How to do it? Lie on your non-operated side. Bring your top knee up toward your chest as far as you comfortably can. Then go back to the start. Your bottom leg can be straight or bent, whatever feels best. Do this 12 to 20 times, repeat 3 times a day. Exercise 2. Glute Strengthening. Now let's focus on the muscles in your buttocks. Strong glutes are the absolute key to walking without a limp and feeling completely stable when you stand up. How to do it? Lie on your non-operated side. Keep your top leg straight and move backward. You can hold your bottom knee with your hand to help you balance. Do this 12 to 20 times. Repeat 3 times a day. Exercise 3. Hip Mobilisation. This exercise gently opens up your hip joint while you just relax on the floor. It is fantastic for reducing stiffness and making the hip feel loose and comfortable. How to do it? Lie on your stomach on the floor. Bend the knee of the operated leg to 90 degrees. Let your foot relax and drop out to the side. Then bring it back. Do this 12 to 20 times. Repeat 3 times a day. Exercise 4. Adductor strengthening. We cannot forget your inner thigh muscles. Strengthening these muscles helps keep your new hip joint perfectly aligned and safe when you are walking. How to do it? Lie on your back. Bend your knees so your feet are flat on the floor. Put a pillow between your knees and squeeze it. Squeeze and hold for 2 to 5 seconds. Do this 12 to 20 times. Repeat 3 times a day. Exercise 5. Gluteus medius strengthening. This last exercise targets a very important muscles on the side of your hip. It is your secret weapon for great balance and beautiful smooth walking step. How to do it? Lie on your non-operated side. Keep your bottom leg straight. Bend your top leg, making an L shape so your knee is in front of you and rest on 2 pillows. Slowly lift your top leg just a tiny bit of the pillows. You can hold it in the air for 2 to 5 seconds or move it slowly up and down. Do this 12 to 20 times. Repeat 3 times a day. These 5 exercises are your stepping stones to a strong, happy hip. Remember, you do not have to be perfect. The goal is just to be consistent and enjoy the movement. Let me know in the comments below which of these exercises felt the best for your hip today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who is also recovering from hip surgery. And if you want more easy, safe and joyful recovery tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. You can feel stronger and move freely again. You just need to start.